welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing this package, which are slouchy socks from Amazon that are in 80s style, and I've got them to wear them with many chunky shoes or winter boots, and also with Dr. Martens maybe, or other shoes, or even Uggs. So yeah, I open my package now. So inside it looks like this, and let's see. So I've got 6 pairs, and let's see how they look, because I've got few colors. First one, orange, looking like so. They are nice, perfect for fall, and they are really chunky. I mean thick here. You have some kind of reinforcement at the very bottom, and they have this slouchy stuff here that it's nice and elastic, and they even make this kind of slouch that I like. I had such socks in the past, in 90s maybe. So yeah, orange are nice for fall. Then I've got pink one, which are really nice still for some chunky sneakers, and it gives you color pop. Reminds of 80s indeed. Yeah, cool. And then I've got this pink, light pink color, looking like so. Can be for leggings. I have some pink leggings or gray ones. Yeah. And then I've got more. Yeah. Another one I've got are white, looking like so. Nice, and oh, this one seems even thicker. I like them, and they seem more tight. Really nice socks. And then I've got grey one. Yeah, grey one looks like so. And last one I've got are black ones. Let's see. These ones I don't like. Wow, those are weird. Those feels like not cotton, but feels like polyester. These ones, maybe they are cotton, but these ones are not so thick. Those seems uglier, but those are nice, and those too, and those. And then these ones are weird, because they seem so cheaply made. See, they are not so thick. So yeah, that's my unboxing of socks. I will link down below where I got them from. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, then thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and don't forget to hit notification bell to be notified when I post videos. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next ones. Bye.